Higgs telescope images of Stephan's quintet are a highlight reel of galactic body slams and pile drives, but in this case, Hubble sees creative destruction. Whole dwarf galaxies forming in the wake of the collisions. But once formed, the future for these infant galaxies is anything but certain.
What will happen? Will they, in fact, go off and go into the group in general and float around out there and live happy and productive lives? Or will the giant galaxy there, the parent, eat the child?
The answer could help settle an old debate in astronomy, whether today's galaxies formed when smaller star groups piled up together, or if they're the surviving offspring of earlier galaxies.
At the same time, in the same distance, we see that the process of beginning to form solid bodies is already well underway. And so it's sort of a good news, bad news situation. The good news is that, wow, here are disks which can form planets, and we can see the process already beginning. The bad news is you better do it fast, because otherwise you're not going to have enough time to gather the gas.
That gas is needed to form gas giant planets, such as Saturn and Jupiter. In Orion, Hubble sees for the first time the beginning stages of dust clumping into the pebbles that could eventually form rocky planets like Earth. But Orion's powerful central stars are burning away the gas around the planet-forming disks, maybe halting the formation of gas giant planets before it can begin. Their shapes are deceiving. Donuts, rings, even an eye. What are these shapes? They are the beautifully diverse forms of planetary nebulae. About 1,000 planetary nebulae have been cataloged, each unique like snowflakes. Early observers viewed the night sky and saw these fuzzy disk shapes. They thought these fuzzy shapes were planets, so they called them planetary nebulae.